Data shows we're seeing the biggest spike in prices since 1981.
Yeah, in the last year, gas has gone up at least 48%. Utility bills are up more than 13%, and groceries are almost 10% more expensive. And clothing costs 7% more this year. One mom in Hardin Valley is navigating the high prices by sticking to her budget.
Chase, she shared her tips for saving sometimes up to $50 a week.
Yeah, and that's kind of like her frugal mindset that she does here. But you remember the days of coupon cataloging? Those days are over. They're pretty much over. But the deals are still there if you do your homework. Melissa Cox tells us how to get in a frugal state of mind.
Feeling deflated from inflated prices?
You can't be impulsive in this time.
Maybe it's time for a change.
I love saving money. I love, stretching my dollars.
Take it from Melissa Cox, a former blogger.
Couponing was the rage back then.
Now, a self-labeled frugal spender.
A lot of people aren't frugally minded. So this is a great time to test the water, so to speak.
What does a frugal lifestyle entail, though? It starts with food savings.
I look at the ad every Wednesday morning, figure out what's on sale. Kroger does these weekly digital coupons, and it's probably about 10 different items, and you can buy 5 of those things.
Hunt the deals.
Doing a little bit of research helps you save money, and every dollar counts these days.
Then make a plan and stick to it.
This is what I'm gonna get, and this is what I have, and this is what's on sale, and making meals or lunches or breakfasts from those type of items. $40 to $50 a week I'm saving doing this, and then I also shop like Aldi for my staple items, things that don't ever really go on sale.
Also, think about what you're wearing. You can shop consignment.
I'm not gonna spend $40 theoretically on jeans when I could get them for like $15.
Or the off-season clearance rack.
Coats, jackets that were like, say, $75 in January, now they're like 10.
The frugal life takes some serious legwork, but Melissa says it's necessary to stay ahead.
Instead of looking at it as like, everything is so expensive, I can't afford milk, blah, 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 well, challenge yourself. And I think once people kind of figure it out, it's kind of like, oh, this is kind of fun to figure out how I can stretch my dollar. Almost kind of like a treasure hunt, so to speak.
So, like Melissa says, she's awesome, right? Just saving a whole bunch of money. Coupon hunting online will save you the most kind of money, but many grocery stores have their own apps now. Catalogs are not really a thing anymore. They still have them, but the apps are going to be the most convenient thing. They're going to be the most up-to-date deals. Those are going to save you a lot of money, and that's in turn going to save you money on rent and those other things that you really can't avoid cost savings.
And
Smart lady.
you think about shopping at a grocery store that offers the gas discount.
Yeah.
Right.
That's a twofer.
And I like she says, challenge yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look for these deals.
All right, thanks Chase.